Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change page zoom on Safari browser. Why would you want to know how to change page zoom on Safari browser? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to change page zoom on Safari browser. So today I am going to show you how to change page zoom on Safari browser. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing page zoom on Safari browser is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will change page zoom on Safari browser. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then type on it. And now again scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on page zoom. Now in this screen you can select a percentage that how much zoom you needed for a page. Like if I want to zoom in my website page, so I will select 1 to 5 or 150 percentage. And if you want to zoom out, then select 75 or any number you want. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change page zoom on Safari browser, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.